I believe you were expecting me. Let's dance.
To the beat of the rhythm of the night. Have the rhythm. Forget about the worries on your mind. On your mind. To the beat of the rhythm of the night. Have the rhythm. Forget about the worries on your mind. When it feels like the world is on your shoulders and all of the madness has got you going crazy, it's time to get out. Step out into the street where all of the action is right there at your feet. Well, I know a place where we can dance the whole night away, and it's called the Moulin Rouge. Oh, just come with me and we can shake your blues right away. You'll be doing fine once music starts. Oh, yeah. To the beat of the rhythm of the night, dance until the morning light. Forget about the worries on your mind. We can leave them all behind. To the beat of the rhythm of the night, for the rhythm of the night, we can leave them all behind. Look out on the street now, the party's just beginning. The music's playing, a celebration starting under the street lights. The scene is being set, a night for romance, a night you won't forget. So come join